Enhance your grasp. Amortization schedule exercise. A debt of 10,000 pesos is amortized by making equal payments at the end of every 6 months for 3 years, and interest is 6% compounded semi annually. Construct an amortization schedule. Step 1. Determine the payment value. The formula to be used is principal, open parentheses, R divided by M, close parentheses, divided by 1 minus open parentheses 1 plus R divided by M, close parentheses, raised to negative Tm. Now list down the given. The principal is 10,000 pesos. The rate is 6% or 0.06. M is 2 as it is compounded semi-annually, and time is 3. Now we apply the formula. Use a scientific calculator. Now write the final answer in sentence form. The payment value is 1,845.97. Rounded up, it's 1,845.98. Now hold on, we will use the payment value in the next step, which is step 2. Construct the columns and rows of an amortization schedule with the known information. We can see that the payment value we got is inputted right here at payment amount. The remaining principal is what we got from the given of 10,000. Now on to the next step, which is step 3, which will be broken down to 3 more steps. Step 3. Calculate the missing information in each row using the steps below. Step 3a. Calculate the interest component of the payment. Interest paid by multiplying the periodic interest by the remaining principal from the previous row. Interest paid is equal to R divided by M multiplied to the remaining principal. Here is an example below. As we can see in the interest paid column, we have 300. Step 3b. Calculate the principal paid by subtracting the interest paid from the payment amount. Principal repaid is equal to payment amount minus interest paid. Example is shown below. Now we can see in the principal paid column that we have the answer. Next, step 3c. Subtract the principal paid from the remaining principal in the previous row. Remaining principal is equal to remaining principal from the previous row minus principal paid. An example is shown below. Now, as we can see, we have now completed payment number 1. Now, go and fill it up, repeating step 3 until you fill it out till payment 6. It will look like something like this. Now on to the next step, which is step 4. Step 4. Adjust the last payment. Adjust the last payment. It often happens that the remaining principal is not exactly zero after the last payment. This is because rounding to the nearest penny after each step loses some precision in the answer. To account for this, the payment amount in the principal paid columns are adjusted to the appropriate amount to make the final balance, or the remaining principal, zero. As you can see, the underlined values are then adjusted in order to make the remaining principal zero. Now on to the last step, which is step 5. Step 5. Sum the totals for payment amount, interest paid, and principal paid. As you can see, the table is complete. With that, you're done. Thank you for listening.